English together.
Talking about hobbies.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thanks. What can I get for you? Coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Sure. So, how are you?
I'm great. I started learning to dance. It's so much fun.
That sounds awesome. What kind of dance do you like?
I love street dancing. It's exciting. What about you? Any new hobbies?
I started taking photography classes. It's fun.
That sounds awesome. What do you enjoy taking pictures of?
I love taking pictures of nature and flowers. They are beautiful.
Wow, I want to see your photos. I also started learning to cook.
Cooking. That's nice. What do you like to cook?
I made sushi last week. It was delicious.
I love sushi. Do you want to try baking next?
Yes, I want to bake cookies.
Yum. I also want to learn to run better.
Running is good. I jog sometimes.
Really? How often do you run?
I try to run 3 times a week. It helps me relax.
That's great. I should join you one day.
Yes, let's go together.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.